Welcome students in my YouTube channel which is Biology by Mahesh sir. Today we will take next topic which is structure of human digestive system. In last class we take the structure of human digestive in which we discuss about the mouth, buccal cavity and then esophagus. So now today we will take the next structure which is structure of stomach. So here it is a structure of stomach human here in diagram we take the structure of stomach in which it is just after the esophagus and just before the intestine. Here the intestine start and the region between these is called stomach. So first of all, stomach just after the esophagus and just before the intestine, this bag-like or sac-like structure is called stomach. Stomach consists by the main four part. First is called cardiac body, after then fundus, after then third part is the body, and fourth is a pyrolik. So cardiac, fundus, body and pyrolik are the four different parts. So we write the first cardiac, second fundus, third body and fourth part is the pyrolik part. Now we take next which the entry of esophagus part is cardiac. Here the cardiac sphincter present. So these cardiac sphincter join the esophagus part. Here the esophagus come and then join. Clear? So esophagus joining area is called cardiac part. Now after then cardiac, the area from cardiac part to body, the area is called fundus. After then the large area is called body and the next and last area is called pyrolik. So you have to keep in mind that the four part of human digestive system which is cardiac, fundus, body and pyrolik. Now we take the stomach. Stomach is consist by, or we can say inner part of stomach is covered by the membrane which is called mucous membrane. Clear? These mucous membrane cover the inner wall of stomach. Now stomach contain the cells which secrete gastric juices. Clear? Now the stomach release which is called gastric juice. Now these gastric juice contain first which is called hydrochloric acid and second which is called digestive enzyme. Clear? So two digestive enzymes. Clear? So first hydrochloric and second is a digestive enzyme. Third is the mucus. So gastric juice contain first is the hydrochloric acid, second is digestive juice or we can say digestive enzymes and third is mucus. Function of these three structures are first the hydrochloric acid or we can take the first part which is mucus. It is cover up the inner body or inner wall of stomach. So function of mucus, it protect the inner wall or stomach wall to the hydrochloric acid because it is strong acid, so it always digest and lies the cell of inner stomach wall. So that time the mucus protect the inner wall of stomach from the hydrochloric acid. So it is a work of mucus. Now second function of hydrochloric acid. The function of hydrochloric acid, first it provide acidic medium. First is it provide acidic medium so that the stomach enzymes can easily work because stomach enzyme, pepsin, renin all work on the acidic medium. Clear? So it provides acidic medium for proper functioning of enzyme, first work. Now second work of hydrochloric acid, it kill all germs which present in a food. Clear? So it is a function of hydrochloric acid. It is a very strong acid which is approximately pH is 2 to 3 pH. So it is three structures: first hydrochloric acid, digestive enzyme and mucus. So I have to discuss two structure, hydrochloric acid and then mucus. Now third, which is digestive enzymes. Now digestive enzymes, first which is renin, second which is pepsin, third which is gastric lipase, now function. Renin responsible for digestion of protein, especially in milk protein. So renin is responsible for digestion of milk protein. It convert milk protein into the small peptones. Second is pepsin, is it responsible for digestion of especially all type of enzyme, or we can say dietary enzymes, or sorry, we can say dietary protein. So pepsin responsible for digestion of dietary proteins. Clear? It also convert protein into the peptones. And third, gastric lipase. These gastric lipase is responsible for digestion of lipase or fat, or the fat or lipid. So the lipid which present in a food is only 1%, less than 1% digest in the stomach with the help of gastric lipase. So we can say that very few amount of fat or lipid digest in the stomach. So high amount of protein digest in the stomach with the help of renin and then pepsin. So here the three part of gastric juice, which are hydrochloric acid, digestive enzyme, and third is the mucus. So here the structure of stomach. So you can take a screenshot of this diagram and also read it. Clear? So it is about the stomach. Now function of stomach: digestion of protein, and then convert the food, especially the bolus which received by the stomach, and it convert into the chyme. So here it receive the bolus and release the food or convert the food into the chyme, and then chyme is entered into the intestine. So it is about stomach introduction for 10th class. So thank you for watching my video. In next class we will take the structure of intestine. Thank you.